Good morning. We are at 7380 Walther Road in Milton, Florida. Zip code is 32570. We have a brick home with an enclosed pool, screened pool. We have barns, stables, 3-car garage. This home and 10 acres is listed for $349,900, or you can purchase a home and 20 acres for $399,900. This house is 3,202 square foot. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, again with an enclosed screened pool, barns, stables, tack room, pole barn for storage of horse trailers. We have a upstairs apartment, like a mother-in-law suite with more storage. Take you inside now. Let's take a look. You can see this gate that was just opened. It's completely enclosed compound. You can see the garage bay in the back, the front of the home. Have an open front porch. You can see all of the storage in the back. Have a long front porch as we enter this home. We have a leaded glass door. As we come in, you see this beautiful tile flooring in the foyer. You see these French doors that go into the great room. In this room, we have the formal living room. Again, this tile flooring extends all the way in. We come into the formal dining room, which again, this tile floor extends all the way across. You see we have some chair rail, some crown molding. It's a little dark outside today. It is storming, so you can see back into this living room. Take you right through this door into our kitchen. Kitchen is very large and open. We see this large center island in the middle. Electric cooktop. See all of these beautiful wood cabinets. Dishwasher. Do have a pantry, large bonus room. Then you can see this workstation right here inside the kitchen. I'm going to take you now into, this is the great room. We have some built-in bookcases. Wood-burning fireplace. That goes right outside to the Florida room. Go ahead and take you on this wing of the home. We have 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths on this wing. Here's 1 full bathroom. You can see tub shower enclosure. Single lavatory. You have tile in that bathroom. As we come into this room is actually its own separate suite with its own bathroom. Right now it's just being used as a den. It does have carpeting. We do have 2 closets in this room. This little dressing area. Have ceiling fans in all of these bedrooms. You can see in this bathroom, single vanity. This has a 5-foot walk-in shower, so perfect for a guest or for a mother-in-law, which is still part of this home. And again, your tile flooring. So this is 1 full bathroom. Have linen storage, plenty of linen closets in this house. Here's one of our additional bedrooms. As you can see, this is for a little girl. This pink can be painted over, but cute little bedroom. Closet in here. And again, ceiling fans in these rooms. Flooring is carpet in really good shape. Now this room is being used, this is a bedroom, but currently it's being used as storage. All of these cabinets will be removed. This is for storage. That will be taken off the floor. The flooring will be fixed and repaired. Again, this does have a walk-in closet. I'm sorry, just a double closet here and another one of those dressing areas. And again, this is just storage right now. So these are 3 bedrooms back on this wing. And keep in mind that this bedroom has its own bathroom. So full bathroom again. So we walk back out into this great room. And again, see those. This is the entrance through those French doors that goes right back out into that foyer. So as we walk into this kitchen again, you just get really to see the massive size of this really, really nice kitchen. As we walk, this garage has been closed in. You can see the tile flooring. This has been turned into an office, bonus room. You can see the attic access stairs are still there. But again, this is an office, bonus room. That door goes right outside. 2 ceiling fans, so this was closed in. You can see that really nice tile flooring. This was turned into a bonus room. Great room for kids. And again, as we go, you can see right through those doors is our really nice large pantry. This is the largest, very, very nice laundry room. You can see the ironing board, hot water heater, washer and dryer. You can see the tile flooring. This is really a nice space in this laundry area. As we continue down the hallway here off the kitchen, this is the master suite. The carpet in here is newer. You can just see the really nice size. You can see it's a really nice sitting area. I'm going to open this just to show you. We have a nice walk-in closet, more attic access stairs from this master closet. So really nice space. The home does have an alarm system. You can see all of the blinds. The blinds will convey with the home. As we go into this master bathroom, you can see we have tile countertops. In the bathroom, you can see that nice little vanity area. Have mirrors all the way around in this bathroom. We have another closet right in this area. So there is 2 closets. We have a 5-foot, I think maybe that's a 4-foot walk-in shower in this master. Garden tub. You can see this really nice skylight that lets plenty of natural light coming into this master bathroom. We have tile flooring here, and then again, this is the vanity area in this master. So 2 closets, 1 walk-in closet, and then another closet as well. You can see that it has this extra sitting area that goes out to the Florida room. So really nice space. I'm taking that Florida room now. So as we walk out into this Florida room, you can see the tile. You can see some exercise equipment. We do have a ceiling fan. This room is not currently heated and cooled. It would not take much. You can see that brick knee wall. Would not take much to close this in and put some air conditioning in here, but right now it's currently not heated and cooled, and it is not included in our square footage. As we go right out to this pool area, as you step down, you can see this really nice garden area. This is all closed in to keep you off the rain. You can see that ceiling fan. It has a really nice pool, vinyl pool. You can see this really nice sitting area. And then as you can see, the screen over the pool, that is all open. So you have this big, huge covered lanai area. So very nice area here. I'm going to take you right outside these doors just so you can get an idea. You can see this really nice parking area here. Lots and lots of storage. Inside there you also have a tack room inside this building. And you have 2 stalls at the back of that. And then also in the back, we have a hydraulic horse walker. So this was really used as a breeding farm at one time. So you can see there's a double car garage there, a single door, and a single car garage. And then there's another big, large garage door on the other side. So this is really a great place. You can see the large pole barn on the other side. I'm going to walk you around and see if you can see. So just as we look back, you can see this long drive that goes back to the gate. We have a nice dimensional shingle. So this is a really great area if you have horses, if you want to raise cattle. This is zoned agriculture. So you can see that barn right over there has 6 stalls. You can see that it's cross fenced. You can see this whole place is entirely fenced in. That is other storage with the 1-bedroom apartment upstairs. Just needs to be hooked up. You can see the horses back here currently. You can see at the end of this is another door that opens up, and you can see that hydraulic walker right through there. So this 4-bedroom, 3-bath home on 10 acres for $349,900, or you can purchase the home and all 20 acres for $399,900. So just a great place to raise a family. We are only 10 miles from the corner of Avalon Boulevard and Highway 90. So this is headed towards Munson, but just a short drive right into Milton. So thank you so much for watching this video, and we look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day.